Hello students. So as in during the last class we had started with your trigo, where we had discussed about the basics of trigo. We had discussed about sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan. So similarly, and also we had discussed about the angles. Okay, that is the acute angles that we had discussed. Now today we'll do few more portions based on those acute angles. Okay, specific particular angles. So here in this case, let, if you have, say suppose expression as cos A is equals to under root of 1 plus cos of 2a by 2. This is an expression given to you, right? And using the formula, using the values, you have to find that whether both the sides are equal or not. So what you have to do in this case, you need to say, suppose you are substituting some value, some particular value. Say suppose a is equals to 30 degree, we are substituting. Okay, so cos of a, that is cos of 30 degree, if we substitute, this will become equal to, your cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, as we had learned last day. Okay, let me write down those values again. Okay, so that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90, right? And here we have sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, tan 0 is 0, tan 90 is infinity. Now cosec 0 will be, cosec is reciprocal of sine, so 1 upon 0 will be infinity. Okay, and cosec 90 is your 1, right? Sec 0 is reciprocal of cos, so this will become 1, and this will become again 1 upon 0, that is infinity. Cot 0 is your infinity, and cot 90, that is 1 upon 10, is 1 upon infinity, that will become 0, right? Cos 30 is half, cos 30 is, sin 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cosec 30 is reciprocal of this, so it will become 2, it will become 2 by root 3, it will become root of 3. Cos 40, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cosec is root 2, sec is root 2, and cot is 1. 60 is, sin 60 will be root 3 by 2, cos 60 will be half. Okay, and tan 60 is root of 3, cosec cosec 60 is 2 by root 3, and cos 60 is 2, cot 60 is 1 by root of 3. Now while we are doing the questions, we'll observe this table and we'll move accordingly. Okay, so this is one of the portion that we had solved. Now come for under root 1 plus cos of 2a by 2, which is equals to under root of 1 plus cos 2 into 30 degree by 2. which is equals to under root of 1 plus cos of 60 by 2. Cos 60 is our half, so that part will become equal to, let's say suppose this is half, this is 1 plus half, so 3 by 2, this is 3 by 4, which is ultimately equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, so hence our both the portions are equal, hence whatever the equations, the condition is given to us, that is correct. Okay, so this is how you can prove the conditions, that whether this part is equal to the other part or not. Okay, if you have any query regarding this, you may please ask, you may please write in the comment box, so that it will become easier for us and we can see. Yes, so let us proceed further. Let's say suppose now if you have different sort of question where this is tan of a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3 and tan a plus b is equals to root 3, where a plus b lies in between 0 and 90. So now tan a minus b, so we have to see that for which value of tan we'll get 1 by root 3. So from this table we can see tan 1 by root 3 will get it for 30 degree. So this we can write it as tan of a minus b is equals to tan of 30. So here in this case we'll equate both the trigo ratios. So a minus b will be equal to 30 degree. This is our first equation. For our second equation we can get and tan a plus b is equals to, now tan root 3 will get it for, root 30 is get it for 60 degree. So this is equals to tan of 60 degree. So which implies a plus b will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now we have two linear equations of two variables. So we have to solve, and this can be solved in any ways, either by elimination or by cross multiplication or by substitution. So I am going to use elimination method. So adding equation 1 and 2. So a plus a minus b plus a plus b will be equal to 30 plus 60 degree. So which is further equal to b is cancelled out. We left with a 2a, which is equals to 90, which further implies a is equals to 45. Okay, so angle a is obtained. Now we can substitute it in any one of the equation. So a minus b is equals to 30 from equation 1. So which further implies 45 minus b equals to 30. So b is equals to 45 minus 30 degree. which is equals to 15 degree. Okay, so therefore B is equals to 15 degree. This is how we can solve. Let me see if uh, anything which you want to know. Yes, so let us continue. So in this case, as we have done this part, now we'll further proceed for complementary angles. Okay, that is the sum of the two angles is equals to 90 degree. That is complementary angle. Now here in this case also, in this particular angles we are going to do, that is the angles will be, if one of the angle is theta, the other angle will be 90 minus theta. Okay, so let's say suppose okay, in this complementary angles there are few things which you have to keep it in mind. That is the formula sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos of theta. Now see, consider this is a triangle. Let this is your A, this is B, this is C, this is 90 degree, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Okay, so suppose this is your X, this is your Y, this is your R. Okay, so here when I am writing sine 90 minus theta, that means this is the side adjacent to the angle and this is the side opposite to the angle. So sine 90 minus theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is X by hypotenuse is R, right? So X in this case will write it as cos of theta, because see sine theta, when I am writing sine theta, this is equals to y by r. When I am writing cos of theta, this is equals to x by r. When I am writing tan theta, this is equals to y by x. So here in this case, this is x upon r, which is equal to cos of theta. Similarly, other forms can be cos 90 minus theta is equals to y by r, which is equals to sine of theta. So sine 90 minus theta, its complementary will be cos of theta. Cos 90 minus theta, its complementary will be sine of theta. Now next is our tan 90 minus theta is equals to your cot of theta. Similarly, cosec 90 minus theta will be equal to sec of theta, and sec 90 minus theta will be equal to cosec theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan of theta. Okay, so these are the complementary angles regarding this one. Hello Munna Singh. Hello Munna Singh. Hello IMIT. Do you have any problem? Do you have any problem regarding trigo? You may ask. Please write in the comment box so that I can show you here. Okay. So next, let us do few more questions based on this type, based on the complementary angle. While you will solve the questions, you have to always see that which angles are complementary. Okay, and accordingly you have to solve. Say suppose you have a question as tan 48 tan 23 tan 42 tan 67. Okay, and you have to evaluate the values. You have to evaluate the values. So in this case, you have to see that which angles are complementary. Here, if you take 48 and 42, okay, so 48 and 42. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So tan 48 and tan 42, these two are complementary angles because if we add, we will get 90 degree. Similarly, tan 23 and 67 are complementary angles. So what we will do, we can write tan 48 as tan 90 minus 42. 48 can be written as tan 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. Okay, so here tan 42 will remain as it is, tan 67 will remain as it is. Okay, so this is equals to, now here tan 90 minus theta is cot of theta. So this is equals to cot 42. This will become cot 67. Tan 42 as it is. Tan 67 as it is. Okay, so which is equals to again I am telling you, tan 90 minus theta is cot of theta, so it will become cot of 42. Tan 90 minus 67 will become cot of 67, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so this is tan 42, tan 67. Now tan and cot both are reciprocal of each other. First day we had discussed. So this will become equal to 1 by tan 42 into 1 by tan 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Right, these are into these are multiplied. So here tan 42 will be cancelled out, tan 67 will be cancelled out, and this is equals to 1. So this is the value while we will solve this question. Yes, Ayurindi, what you have written, just resume SS1. If you have any problem regarding trigo, you may please ask. Here similarly you may get questions as sine square 63 plus sine square 27 plus sec square minus cot square 70 degree plus 2 sine 36 sine of 42 sec 48 sec 54. Okay, before we do these questions, let me tell you three very important trigo forms, trigo identities. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. We will learn about this during the last class, but this identity is required, is very important to do this sort of questions also, to do the questions based on complementary angles. Okay, so firstly we have to see that which are our complementary angles. 63 and 27 are complementary with each other. 20 and 70 are complementary with each other. Similarly, sine 36 and 54 are complementary. 42 and 48 are complementary with each other. Right? So we are going to take, let us come with the same question, sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 can be written as 90 minus 63 whole upon sec square 20 degree minus cot square 90 minus 20 degree plus 2 sine 36 can be written as 90 minus 54 degree. Sine 42 can be written as 90 minus 48 degree, and sec 48 will write as it is, sec 54 will write as it is. So this is equals to, as our formula, sec square 63 will remain as it is, plus sine square 90 minus 63, that is cos, sorry, this is our sine, this is cos square 63 upon, this is our sec square 20 degree minus cot 90 minus theta. Here we had discussed cot 90 minus theta is tan of theta. So this is equals to tan square 20 degree plus 2 cos 54, this is cos 48, this is sec 48, this is sec 54, which is equals to this part. If you observe this one, here we are going to apply the properties as number 1 over here. Over here we are going to apply sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, next here in this case we are going to apply 1 plus tan, let me use some dark colors, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, which I may write as sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so these are the main properties which we are going to apply. So this is equals to, this part will be equal to 1 because of this. This part is also equals to 1 plus twice of cos 54 will remain as it is, cos 48 will also remain as it is, sec 48 I can write as 1 by cos of 48, sec 54 I can write as 1 by cos of 54. Okay, so this all will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out. Will be cancelled out, and you will get equal to 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. Answer. Okay, so this is how we can use our trigo, right, to find the complementary angles, to find out the height and distances. Okay. Yes, Munna Singh, if you have any doubt, please ask. Arvindi, if you have any doubt, you may ask, please. If you have any doubts. Okay, so as I said that we will do few questions based on this identities. Okay, there are variety of questions uh, which you should practice, because it's a very good because these are the very good questions for your mathematics aptitude. Okay, let us do few questions based on this part. Suppose if you have questions as um, sine to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 into cosec square theta is equals to 2. Okay, if you have such, so this part that I am showing you, I will consider this LHS part. This we need to prove. Okay, this we need to prove. So this can be written as sine square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square plus 1, and this is cosec square theta, which is further equals to sine square theta minus cos square theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 into cosec square theta, which is equals to, this part is going to remain as it is because we don't have any formula other than a square minus b square, so let us keep it as it is. This part will be equal to 1 plus 1, so this is 1 and this is your cosec square theta, right? So here if I have formula as sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, I may also write as sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so in place of or else it can be written as cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So let sine square theta be sine square theta only. Cos square theta, suppose I am going to change it as 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, plus 1 and cosec square theta. So this is equals to sine square theta minus 1 plus sine square theta plus 1 cosec square theta. So this part is equals to plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled out, 2 sine square theta into cosec square theta. This is equals to twice of sine square theta into 1 upon sine square theta. So sine square theta is cancelled out. Answer is 1. So here whatever we require, we got it over here. Answer. Okay. If you have any further question regarding this, you may please ask regarding complementary angles, regarding identities. If you have any question, any queries, you please write in the comment box. or else if you have any other problem other than trigo, you may please ask that also. If you have any other problem other than trigo, right, wherever you have problems in maths, whichever part you think you are not understanding, you need to clear your concepts, you may please write in the comment box, so that if not possible today, next class we'll discuss all those points. We'll try to cover all those points. Kindly write in the chat box, comment box, so that we can solve your all problems regarding mathematics. Okay. So today here I am going to end my class, right? If you have any further queries other than trigo, any other part, mensuration, statistics, any portion, wherever you have problems, the type of questions where you have problems, please do write in the comment box, so that later we can solve your all the doubts. Okay, goodbye to all of you.